Imagine you're building 100 cars per day, but 30 of them roll off the line with crooked wheels. Before they can go out the door, they need to be fixed. But fixing one can take up to 4 times longer than building it right the first time. That's first pass yield. When you're only hitting 60 to 70%, your team isn't just behind, they're stuck in rework mode. They're chasing quality instead of building momentum. Now imagine you raise that yield to 90%. Now only 10 cars need rework. Suddenly, 90 go out the door right away, and your team has the bandwidth to build even more. That's exactly what one of our partners realized. They thought they needed 200 more welders, but what they actually needed was fewer bad welds. So what could a higher first pass yield unlock for you? Let's find out.